Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this Moulinex blender food processor that I got from my grandma for her birthday. It has all these utensils and I bought it for the food processor actually. She wanted a comfortable food processor. Let's go with the unboxing. First of all, we have the motor of this complex that we have here. This is 1,000 watt. So it's very powerful and it has 20 speeds. So, I mean, you can grind in theory, like very hard foods. So that's what I was going to try out next. Here we have our secondary tool, which is the blender, the hand blender. This is very useful when you don't have much space in your kitchen like we do. Um, Then we have a measuring cup. It comes with a whipper. There it is. It has the whipper tool. And we have the instructions, which I read already. They're very common and basic. And I really like this measuring cup. It has measures in milliliters and ounces. This part was of the whipper. And this is the reason why I bought this for my grandma, because of the food processor, the grinder. There it is. It has a good size for a small kitchen. I like it. It has measures also written on the plastic part, milliliters and ounces as well. So there are parts that you cannot wash from this combine. You need to read the instructions of which parts you cannot wash and which parts are washable. These are the blades of the grinder. They are pretty sharp. They look small, but they're pretty sharp. Now, the testing of the food processor is the first thing that we tested. I'm leaving you with the sound of the first test. I wanted to do this Nutella recipe that I saw, which is hazelnuts with dates, 100 grams of hazelnut, 3 dates, you pitted dates, or you just take out the seed, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa, unsweetened. This is the consistency that I got. It's very dry. It's this piece, it started to friction burn. It smelled like burned rubber. So I just stopped. I took everything out. I put a little bit of coconut oil to see if that helped. But this is the result that I got. I couldn't make Nutella. I couldn't make that hazelnut butter. So I ended up doing cake pops. I'll leave the link on the description of how to do cake pops. Now the second testing that I made, it's for the blender, the hand blender. So I just did what I usually do with my protein shake. My favorite protein or gain, this is not sponsored, some rolled oats, water, and I'm going to use this piece of the combine. So we have the motor and then we have the hand blender. Let's hear how that sounds. I'll leave all the details on the description of this video for this Moulinex. If you want to do nut butter, I don't recommend you this, but for softer food like hummus, it's good. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me to do more videos each week. I'll be releasing them, and you can follow me also on Instagram for daily content. Thanks for watching. Bye!